Nisngil sarong shibun nakabantai MP Jong Shillong, Dr. Ricky Syngkon kumbangi lajit banlong kum unang mikmat syakit parliamen, yu shisha ba imshem la shongklikti halor kashuki. Nrei ila kren bat benpau ya shibun kimat nakabenta kaching kari bat kajait benriu. Bat menta kasngi ka arpasan tarik ila benpau ya kaching jong ka skul ba NEHU. Ba halor kaching bombit bombiang bala idei ban Weng no ya uwai sensila nakabenta kaching bit chingbiang bat chingyai tranti katei kachaka pule.
माननीय सदस्य श्री रिकी एड्यू सिंगकॉन जी।
Madam Chairperson, through you I would like to draw the attention of this vexed and pertinent issue concerning Northeastern Hill University, one of the only central university in Northeast at one point of time. Today, Madam, this university with a motto to rise up and build. Today, Madam, when we look at the condition of this university, it is in total disarray, and the reason for this is because of the leadership crisis that the university is facing. Madam, the incompetency of the present VC has led to protests by students, teachers and non-teaching staff of this university, and has brought this university to a standstill. For the last couple of months, this university has been greatly affected in terms of teaching and research, which is the prime objective of any learning institution. Therefore, Madam, through you, I would like to urge upon the concerned ministry to take up this matter seriously by removing this VC who is